Joel's FRS. Woo. Thing is sick. The wheels, everything. Ugh. And then our baby little BRZ. We're here at Riaction USA for their open house. Fortunately, we were able to meet up with Josh. Thank you, Josh. As you guys may have known, our BRZ has been like in the shop, so we haven't been able to do many updates to it. But fortunately, Frank Subaru was able to get the car back to us this weekend, so we were able to make it out here and meet up with Josh. So thank you, Frank Subaru, and thank you, Josh, for bringing us the last piece of our Aero Splitters from Rally Innovation.
Beautiful. Beautiful. What a model. Wow, hand model right here.
After we get these on, guys, we're gonna go ahead and kind of walk you through the car to show you guys the details of the splitters so you guys can see better. It's hard to see on our colored car because it's like black on gray. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get these on real quick and we'll show you guys around the car. Just getting them grimy fingertips off it.
Wow, Mark, what are you trying to say?
So line them up with the holes, the body holes.
Got one side on, guys. Very nice. Nice and flush. Vanessa working on the other side.
Almost got it. My hands are getting a little beat, but once you do one side, you know how to do the other, I think.
Yeah, I don't know why there's so much dirt. Like, we don't take this off right away, do we?
Nope, I don't. Are you? You taking it off?
Shh. Rally Innovations official. Yeah, press more. It's the letters.
Ooh.
There we go, baby.
There you go.
She's stickered now.
I tried cutting these out before, like taking out the back negative part, and I was just like, oh, this part is hard.
Dude, that little tiny piece of sticker, we're gonna lose that someday. That thing's
surprisingly, I haven't lost mine.
That thing's gonna come off one day. We got our stickers on thanks to Josh. Thank you so much. And yeah. The Rally Innovation Splitters is complete now, guys. So if you guys are interested in these splitters or have any additional questions, you guys can message us online, and we'll post a link to the splitters on our description. So we'll just go ahead and take a walk around the vehicle. This is the front splitter. As you guys can see, it doesn't poke out too much. Looks really nice. And then we transition to the side. These are the side splitters. And this is probably one of my favorite parts of the splitter, how it just channels all the air through there. And then the rears. So it's a two-piece in the rear. Nothing too crazy, just a nice, subtle, good little look. Oh, we can't see on there, so let's go ahead and walk around to the other side. It's more light here, so I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but looks really good. Really liking it. Really liking it. Thank you, Josh, for bringing us the splitters. That about does it for our video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the quick little sneak peek of the open house at Riaction USA Coilovers. And also you guys were able to see a little bit more about the BRZ and the new splitters, and now it's finally complete, so we're super excited about that and super thankful to Rally Innovations and Riaction for supporting our vehicle and our build. So thank you guys so much, and as always guys, peace out and keep on trekking.